Have you ever seen this vibrant bird up close? If not, this bird is referred to as a parrot. This bird belongs to the Psittacidae family, also known as the parrot family, and there are 393 different species in the world, similar to the lovebird and white cockatoo. And did you know that these birds can imitate human language?
What happened? Oh my goodness! Thank you.
Psittacidae birds, or cockatoos and parrots, can be found in various regions of the world. Some species are distributed in South America, such as in Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. Meanwhile, several other species are found in Australia and on islands around Southeast Asia, such as in Indonesia and the Philippines. Some species of Psittacidae birds can also be found in Africa and some areas in the Pacific, such as in Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands. In addition, the main food of Psittacidae birds or parrots is seeds. These grains should be a major part of the bird's daily diet as they are the main source of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats needed by the bird's body. Some types of grains that are suitable for Psittacidae birds are sunflower seeds, millet seeds, and peanut seeds. Sunflower seeds and millet seeds contain high levels of fiber and are easily digested by birds, while peanut seeds contain healthy fats that are beneficial for the health of the bird's body. Psittacidae birds, or cockatoos and parrots, have a distinctive and unique anatomy. One of the distinguishing features of these birds is the presence of a sturdy and strong beak, as well as legs that can reach out and grasp objects tightly. The beak of a Psittacidae bird is made up of an upper jaw and a lower jaw that can move separately. This lets the bird hold things firmly and easily chew and chop food. Inside the mouth is a long, flexible tongue, which helps the bird pick up food and move it down the throat. The feet of Psittacidae birds are very strong and equipped with fingers that can grip objects tightly, 2 forward-pointing fingers and 2 backward-pointing fingers, as well as strong and sharp claws, which help them climb and tear food. In addition, they also have wide and strong wings, which allow them to fly quickly and stably through the air. They also have beautiful and colorful feathers on their bodies, which makes them very attractive and a favorite of people who like to hunt ornamental birds. The mating process of Psittacidae birds, such as cockatoos and parrots, can vary depending on the species. However, in general, Psittacidae birds are monogamous, which means that pairs of birds will stay together throughout their lives. During the breeding season, Psittacidae birds will perform several mating rituals, such as vocalizing, dancing, and showing off their beautiful plumage colors. During these rituals, the male bird will try to attract the female bird by showing off his beautiful feathers and melodious voice. After finding a suitable mate, the male and female bird will form a very strong bond and build a nest to lay their eggs. Nests made by Psittacidae birds can be holes in tree trunks or nests made of wood chips, leaves, and other materials. After mating, the birds will usually lay 1 to 3 eggs that are incubated for about 3 weeks. After hatching, the young will remain in the nest and be fed by both parents until they are strong enough to leave the nest. Psittacidae birds have the ability to mimic and learn a variety of human sounds and voices, including the ability to mimic words and speech. However, not all Psittacidae bird species have this ability. Some species are only able to make simple sounds or natural sounds that they learn from their surroundings. Scientifically, the ability of Psittacidae birds to speak is related to their anatomy. Psittacidae birds have flexible tongues and strong muscles in their throats, which allow them to produce a variety of different sounds. In addition, Psittacidae birds also have an intricate nervous system that allows them to learn and mimic the sounds they hear. The Cetacity bird's ability to speak is also greatly influenced by their environment and life experiences. They learn to mimic sounds from their surroundings, including human voices and other animal sounds. When they live with humans, they can learn and imitate human sounds that they often hear, such as words and sentences. But physical characteristics are not the only ones that affect a parrot's capacity for speech. It is also necessary to teach and train parrots to mimic sounds. By listening to and mimicking human speech as well as the sounds in their surroundings, parrots are able to reproduce them. In the wild, parrots will mimic the sounds of their surroundings or the voices of other birds. However, not all Cetacity birds can learn to speak, and the ability to speak can also be affected by genetic and environmental factors from an early age. Therefore, not all Cetacity birds kept as pets can speak.